KLiC Video Editing. Welcome to KLiC Video Editing. Video editing is a process of modifying or rearranging the video clips to create a final video. It also includes editing of soundtracks, video and film, applying color correction, filters and other enhancements, and creating transitions between clips. Why take admission? After completing this course, the learner will get various career opportunities in these industries. Television studio, film studio, advertising studio, multimedia companies, e-learning companies, web designing companies. In these industries, he or she will perform roles like television and film editor, video editor, assistant video editor, film compositor, VFX compositor, etc. Academic approach. The course focuses on practical knowledge and application. The aim of this course is to make the learner efficient and to offer him or her rewarding career. Learning methodology. The participants get the overview of the course, use of tools, and their application in real life. He or she learns about available career opportunities, roles to be performed at the workplace. Learner gets to know various parts, functions, and interrelations of the tool. At the beginner level, the learner knows the simple application development technology. Encourage him or her to develop integral skills required to make them job ready. Syllabus. Skills. Importing and capturing footage. Timeline, sequence and clip management. Basic video editing. Editing audio. Mixing and creating effects with the audio mixer. Creating transitions, creating titles and graphics. Working with advanced editing techniques, using video effects, using color mates and backdrops, enhancing video, wrapping up and exporting. Detailed syllabus. Getting started with Premiere Pro. Working with workspace. Customizing the workspace in Premiere Pro. Working with project settings. Introduction to movie making. Basics of digital video and movie editing. Comparing camcorder formats. Understanding video codecs. Shooting better video. Duration 120 hours to be covered in 2 months. Medium. The course is available in English all over India. Certification. This course is recognized by Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, YCMOU. YCMOU issues mark sheet to the learners who successfully complete the sections 1, 2 and 3. MKCL provides certificate to the KLiC learners after their successful course completion. The course focuses on practical knowledge and application. For more details, visit www.mkcl.org/join or visit nearest MS-CIT KLiC Center.